morning everyone. Today we are going to see about constructor in Python program. So Python programming consists of classes. These classes we have constructors and destructors. So today's class we are going to take about constructors. So in constructors we have first creating a class. The class is student. After that we go for programming material. So that we create a constructor. Definition name and age. So these are the all we are initiating first. So self is an object, name and age are number to the variables of the class. Next we go for how we access the member function or member variables. We use the object of the class. After that we print the statement and print the name and display the object of the class. After that we go for printing and then we create an object of the class and automatically it refers to the display. When we get in runtime we get so Alice and Ruby, but here we are going to give the input through the function variable itself. So through getting a variable in the runtime we use a different syntax. Okay. In this init is a defining initiating the variables. Self is an object and a name and a age. So how many of ever we are going to use a variable we can put command extend the member variables. So self we can call the member variables and assign the name into the self. So this is how we use a class. So in the class we create an object and the object automatically calls the. So this is a constructor. So this constructor helps in initiating the abstract of the class. So the abstract of the class is already initiated and then we pass the variables in. So after that only we move on another process. What is the object in this? That is the object in this self. So self is the object of what are all the member variables of this name and age. Okay. This is how we do the program. So in this class program we create a constructor and the constructor represents the abstract of the class. So if you have any doubts in it, the constructor is defined by giving an abstract of the class, and we can initiate the basic input of the member name and the age of the values. So these values are initially taken to the class member variables. So while assigning and while call the object in the main program, we get the values of the name and age into the object of the class. So this is how we proceed. So while calling the student one is represented as the object of the class. So student one equal to student Alice, comma 20. Here we pass the value into the initiated structure. After that we display the thing. So student one is also a object which is created for student class. So this student one display calls the member function of the class. So this is how we call inside the main program. So while accessing the member variable, we use self, similar to this object in Java. So self is a default object which refers to the current class. So if you use the self in different classes, only calls the another classes objects. So this is how we use constructors. So